Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so let's see here what's going on. So we do have hot and mining. It did a 1-2. Honestly, I am a little bit annoyed with this third wave because I mean the fourth wave. Um, maybe this was the fourth wave. I don't know. It just doesn't make sense, really. It's really pushing higher, and it's not giving us a nice level when I can say oh yeah, that this was definitely a fourth wave. It looks like this third wave could be just pushing higher and higher and higher. And after that, we need to see. Okay, so this sounds crazy now. This is the C wave target. So this one, the 0.786, I can remove because we did reach that one. So I did tell you, I did sold. I need to switch on the Canadian one because now. Okay, so I did sold half of my hot and mining around $99. Now we are about to reach the 114 if you continue like this, so that's really great. Also here was, well, this was a theory, was it? Yeah. If we did reach here, when I combine wave 1 and 3, but now for the moment this is a messed up, man, because it just doesn't want to give me a clear fourth wave. And if I take this as a third wave and this is a fourth, then we're reaching to $131. The crazy thing is, let's just focus now on the bigger wave here, right? So this is the fourth wave, and this is possible A, B, and now we're working on a C wave. So the ideal target for a C wave, it's the 1-to-1 ratio, so it's under 14. Can you push higher? Well, the way it's pushing now, I think we could even start talking possibility that can reach under 72. We shall see on the next pullback. Now, because Bitcoin is not finished, or we are looking for a bullish movement, because I believe he's still working on a C wave, as is doing hot and mining, then we will see if Bitcoin is able to give us a 1-2 setting, and then a third and a fourth and a fifth. Then hot and mining really has a possibility to really go and skyrocket to at least going higher than under 14, and then we will see. The structure, yeah, it's really kicking ass. And as you can see, as I did it, you know what? Let me do another estimation here. But it just doesn't make sense, honestly. I cannot really, I don't think it's helpful. That's why I didn't put it, I think. It was 1.618, and now, you know what, I'm going to put 4x. Was too much. Maybe 3. Let me go for 3. So we'll have reached 3x. If I take the reference as this 1-2 setting, and now it's going higher. So let me see if I have it. Yeah, I don't think I have it. Okay. Just all done with me. Okay, so if this is the third wave, then 1 or 2 level already reached them, and currently now we are at 3.618. It's kind of almost doesn't make sense to do those kind of things because, you know, it's just crazy. So where was my 3.618? And then, yeah, at the end I'm going to put the fourth, and I'm putting that just as a reference. So the next level, well, we have the under 14, but I think on the other chart I had under $19. So I don't know how did I got there. I need to double check how I did this ABC, because I don't understand why one chart it says one thing and this one says something else. Maybe this was not accurate. Anyway, they're pretty much close. So under 16 and under 19, it's and under 16, under 14, it's a reference. Then after that, we have the 3.618, which we are now. Then after that, we're going to have, yeah, under 16 for a 4x. And this is just give us some levels that we can look forward. I'm pretty much sure now on the daily the RSI should be like freaking overbought. Not even. Did I see? Oh, no, okay. I thought I saw a bearish divergence. Totally not on the RSI. Still skyrocketing. Now, we rarely went that high, did we? No, actually we went quite, we still have a little bit of room to go. So we do have some room to push higher. So next under 14, after we will see how was the how high this other mining can push. I am going to start to take more profit soon, honestly. So at under 14, I will not be shy. Even though I took already 50%, I'm very happy. And I don't believe it's going to go to $300 within 6 months. I do believe this stock is going to crash when Bitcoin is going to start his bigger C wave. So this is why I emphasize on profits taking. I want to make an alarm here. Oh, man, they always change, though. Man. What condition? Price. How do I put a message now? Message. Seriously. Alright, so for me, taking more profits, I am on the 15-minute chart and create. Alright, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And once again, this is my strategy. I am going to take some profits if you reach my first target. And can you go higher? Yes, it can. So this is why I take, you know, I'm not selling all of my other mining, but if it keeps climbing higher, then I will take more and more and more. All right, bye.